hoping that you understand. Baby, now
what's going on YouTube video for today's show? I'm Kelvin back at you again for another YouTube video for you guys. Man, oh man. So if you're in love of music, you know that downtown New York on the subway is the place to be if you want to find like some street performer or some subway musician that are amazingly talented. So in today's video, we're going to react to Mike Young thinking out loud downtown New York City on the subway. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel because your boy needs to pay some bills. And yeah, we're gonna jump straight to the video, guys. Woo! I love this music, man. Ooh, like the deep soul voice. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Taste of my love. Come on, man. No, without Mike. Without Mike. Ooh, yeah. Yes, you are. No, I'm kidding. Ooh. Wow. It's whatever, man. Whoa. Ooh. I love people who are giving money to those guys because this is how they're living. So if you have like a little coin on your pocket, so you just have to give them. Good day. Woo. Yes, this is the most interesting part right there. Woo. Woo. Come on, man. You're killing it. Yeah. Sorry to post this video, guys, because I know many people who are going on the subway to take their train. They put their headphones on and they don't look at anybody. They mad. But if it was me, I'm having like a bad day or my day didn't start in the best way possible, seeing this on the subway will actually make me smile, other than like make me more angry than I am. So yeah.
Place your hand on my beating heart.
Woo!
And I'm thinking out loud, baby,
oh my guy, come give money, man.
Where we are.
Woo. The guy who actually playing, I don't know because I didn't see the background. The guy who playing, he's amazing. Woo. Love me the same. So darling, smile. Ooh. Those people who are recording videos on the subway of talented people are the best. Because without them, we will not even be sitting there reacting to this video. Yeah.
And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all
Part of the plan. Thank you, guys. We're giving money. Ooh.
Hoping that you understand.
Baby, now. Ooh. Take me into the loving arms. The train is coming. Even that, you're still hearing his voice. I'm taking out. Where we are, we found love. Where we are. Oh my God, I love this song, man. We fair, man. Come on, man. You're killing it, bro. Wow. Like, to be honest, like, I love it. I love it. I love like a street performer because the amount of fearness that you need to have to go take your instrument and pressureless you need to be to go on the street and sing for people, like, nah. Even myself, when I'm going recording like a video outside, like in vlog type of video, I feel the pressure of people. I feel the height of people on me. So I cannot even imagine like a person who actually going to do like any type of performance, because you have to deal with the pressure and you have to be concentrate enough and being confident enough on your skills to be able to perform normally. This is great. I appreciate this type of people, and yeah. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe like I say, and because your boy need to pay some bills. Love you guys, and like I always say, God bless you, and double ciao.